Kids need to understand facts, but they also need to understand how to use them in our everyday life.
It's about the journey process. It's not the destination that matters. It's about walking and learning and developing the concepts along a continuum of learning.
So Jonathan So's keynote presentation at our Numeracy and Beyond Parent Conference was really a wonderful invitation for parents to think about how they can help their children fall in love with learning math in a different way, perhaps than the parents, had learned themselves.
We need to stop having our kids do math and make them doers of math. We need them to be mathematicians. We need them to be in charge of the learning and not just following ideas and procedures that are set before them. We need them to embody the learning and be independent.
It's about that balanced approach to learning. It's about making our kids understand that math is in their everyday, and that empowering our parents to become mathematicians as well. That activities don't have to be what we traditionally think of activities. A piece of work that goes home, 25 questions to practice on your own.
But what if our school and classroom looked more like this? What if our kids during school had time to collaborate?
Math is everyday life, and when you are cooking with your child, or playing a board game, or going shopping, or driving in the car, that you can ask mathematical questions and make them think and talk about the math that they've been learning in classroom.
Jonathan's keynote speech I thought was very, very engaging. He was so very passionate as he spoke.
They have the facts. They know them really well. As parents, I think we do an amazing job of making sure our kids know facts, but they don't know how to apply them.
So I'm definitely going to be bringing that back to my daughter to make sure that she's a doer of math, so that she is able to manipulate things, she's able to be a tactile learner, and she really understands why she's doing what she's doing rather than just doing it by rote memorization.
Yeah, Mr. So, he makes math fun because he puts more hands-on experience, which means you can do more stuff. Like if we're doing a probability question or if we're doing a takeaway question, he'll let us use cubes or something so we can interact and see how it is in real life.
Kids need to understand facts, but they also need to understand how to use them in our everyday life. And as parents, I think that's where we can really help out, that we can show our kids that math is in our everyday, that we use it, that it's built into our society.